How to check deleted messages on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner. Now, click on these three lines on the upper corner right here. Now, once you're here, you just have to scroll down and search for your activity. You just have to click on that. And when you're here, you just have to scroll all the way down, and you will be able to see the download your information. You just have to click on that, and it will redirect you into looking for your information. So you just have to tap on download or transfer information right here and click on some of your information. Now you just have to search for messages, which is right here, and hit on next. Now if you want to know or check the deleted messages that you have to download this to your device. So you just have to hit on next. And you can customize that specific file to any date range that you want. After that, you have to request this private information to Instagram. So you just have to create files right here. And now you have requested your specific information about your messages. So you just have to wait for a few minutes or maybe hours to check your deleted messages. So that's how to check deleted messages on Instagram. Hope we helped.